The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE has just dropped, with its biggest highlight being that gorgeous 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that now hits a stunning 1900 nits of brightness, paired with LTPO adaptive refresh at 120Hz and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, making it one of the most brightest and smoothest screens you will get at this price point. And that's only the beginning, because under the hood it runs on Samsung's new Exynos 2400 chip, an upgrade over the Exynos 2400E in the S24 FE, paired with 8GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage up to 512GB, with whispers of a 12GB RAM variant in some markets, giving you plenty of power for multitasking and gaming, all backed by a revamped vapor chamber cooling system to keep it stable. The camera setup looks familiar, with 50 megapixel OIS main, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel 3x telephoto, but the front cam now gets a solid boost to 12 megapixel, bringing it closer to the flagship S25 line, while AI features like generative edit, Portrait Studio and advanced video tools make it a lot more than just megapixels. The battery is slightly bigger too, now at 4900 mAh with 45 watts fast charging that gets you 65% in 30 minutes, 15 watts wireless and 9 watt reverse wireless charging. Plus it comes with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box, secured with 7 years of OS and security updates. So you are good till Android 23, and all the Galaxy AI tricks like audio eraser, now brief and Google Gemini Live are included, even with 6 months of Google AI Pro free. The design has been slimmed down to just 7.4 mm and 190 gram, rocking an armor aluminum frame, IP68 rating, flat edges with smooth rounded corners, and colors like navy, jet black, white and icy blue, all with matte finishes and metallic accents, making it look premium without the flagship cost. You will also find stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, making this a complete package for daily use. Launched at IFA 2025 in Berlin, the S25 FE is already rolling out globally, with pricing starting at $649 in the US, and pre-order offers could even throw in a free Galaxy Watch 7. All in all, Galaxy S25 FE delivers a near flagship experience at a mid-range price, and if you are torn between this and Galaxy S25 Plus, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we are bringing you a head-to-head comparison you will not want to miss.